Mr. Prime Minister, you know, say now keep track with what go on in the world. Keep track with what go on in your country. As a matter of fact, you know, say you know. Mr. Prime Minister, you know, say everybody have phone. Mr. Prime Minister, sit down to the baby have phone.
Hello everyone. Now I want us to have a look at this video where this police officer exposes whatever the government of Jamaica have been doing and how the Prime Minister has managed to get away with so many resources in the government and how corruption gets through in the government. So let's watch this big discussion, then have a quick discussion at the end of it. Thank you so much.
So I saw a post where the Prime Minister is talking about bloggers on social media. I don't know if Jamaica is realizing what is happening, but Mr. Prime Minister, how about you take all this energy and track down your statutory declarations?
Andrew, are you my comfort? You need to come down. Listen to me, man. You need to do better than Andrew.
Andrew, I will not be silent.
Oh my god, I don't know, say BC Entertainment out there back with another video, guys. Big up on yourself and hope you have a blessed and a wonderful day. So guys, we have some video where I'm gonna share, you know, if you don't see it as yet. So guys, I make gonna hear some people have to say about the same situation that Andrew are going with. So guys, the people them say, oh, them nah be silent, no care what Andrew want to say. You understand? So guys, I share the video with Uno and you can drop on the thoughts in the comment section. If you're new to the channel, I know how to do.
So I saw a post where the Prime Minister is talking about bloggers on social media and how much we should look out for defamation suits because the things that are being said online are mean and all sorts of things. And how well he will track down these people and get them and dig them out. I don't know if Jamaica is realizing what is happening, but Mr. Prime Minister, how about you take all this energy and track down your statutory declarations? Why you don't take all this energy in finding out who the 6 parliamentarians are who are being investigated for illicit enrichment? Why you don't track down Michelle Charles, who purchased so much land in St. Thomas for just $1,000? Why you don't go track down the fact that you have the most corrupted administration in the history of our Jamaican politics? Why you and the Minister of Education don't track down better and proper ideas to get our students to be on one accord and not to kill each other? Why you don't track down that? Prime Minister, leave ordinary Jamaicans alone. As a matter of fact, we're done with you. Time come. So do anything you want to do and say anything you want to say. But go sue the Speaker of the House.
Mr. Prime Minister, you know, say you now keep track with what go on in the world. You know, you now keep track with what go on in your country. As a matter of fact, you know, say you know. You know, you know. You see people in the country right now, Mr. Prime Minister, if they not no food, is a problem. But if they not no service, is a bigger problem. You know, say the people them can't get pick up on them social media or view and go get them views, a bigger problem to the people them. Mr. Prime Minister, say everybody have phone. Mr. Prime Minister, sit down to the baby have phone. You think they just have phone for us to chat? Our social media are the #1 priority for everybody. You know to up him because you use social media, you know, because you manipulate social media, you know, and put yourself in a power, you know. No disrespect, you know. You use it to your advantage, you know. So no outcomes. Because it a turn on and a show up your corruption and your dirtiness. You want to put things in place now to curtail people like me with the on social media attack. Outcomes you know want if you have freedom to give reviews and make with speech. How comes you want to lock up your mouth? How comes you want to lock up your mouth? May I tell you this, touch social media. Don't your own supporter them in labor right go jump on you. Leave media alone. Take your lick when you are get your lick. This is not politically motivated. This is straight fact. Take your lick like where lick people with social media. Because don't you want to support them or turn them back on you. Lay social media alone.
Andrew, I will not be silent. I will always lick out against corruption. I will not be silent. I will always talk about your incompetent government. 'Cause Jamaica is my country. All of it is my country. And I will not be silent. You can't come for me, Mr. Prime Minister, because I will always talk about your incompetence, your government, the corrupt government, your uncertified declaration, your uncertified wealth, and all of the above, Mr. Minister. Come for me for this information, because I will not be silent about the things that you are doing that is not right. Forward to the people.
Andrew, are you me come for? You need to come down. Listen to me, man. You need to do better than Andrew. Trillions of dollars on make, especially pan shipping the beast them. We are buy beast them and we are skate pan toll. But when me check it out, a millions on make off a toll, off a beast them we are shipping, because we have to pay twice the money for shipping the beast them. And we have to pay for gas. And in the day, we still have to end up pay for your shocks and tire for bust up beast and bust up rim them on the road charge. Andrew, you need to come down. Hear me I say. First thing more you do, Andrew. More you fix your hospital them charge. More you fix your hospital them. Because once me talk, you know see a so you go. You know see a serious thing me come talk about. More you fix your hospital them. There's no way. You have big Jamaica charge. And we don't have a proper care. For go there and a big out, you nurse them under pressure and nobody no give a eh? We have got dick hour. Nurse them can't even manage to deal with every buckler patient. 250 patient and come back on the other man out there. And still not pay the people them like say when you take people for buckler eat that. Second thing you need to do, Andrew, you need for buckler upgrade the school them. There's no way you fight against the artists them and sing duns, but yet still you know buckler build school them for you them bright or intelligent. You see me? You prefer build a buckler prison and make a bigger prison. When you have the matrix system, you don't know about that already. You have a school where the man then can get the trade and thing. And you would build up a school them for you them. 50 at buckler picnic in a one fucking class. How them a go meditate and meds then work. Charge. I don't want to tell me nothing, you know, Andrew. You need to come down, man. You see me? We have a beast them. And you tell yourself to put in car seat in a vehicle. Yet still patrol, still make your baby buckler fly out of a buckler car seat because the road them no good. And that will cost me if you go pay upon the toll because you literally make your buckler road them mash up because you want to go pay a toll. Third thing, Andrew, only when election come, road are fixed and nobody now send out to your charge. Nobody. Andrew, you're general, but guess what? You move fuck up. You move like a owner alone for eat food, my father. There's no way we eat a piece of food. Or we eat a piece of food, it a cost we again. You see me? Andrew, you need to do better, come down. You see what I say? Care? Eh? Then you say you give security and at the same time you see where security them not even secure. Eh? And then you go tell me, say, yo, you're a prime minister. You're prime for sure. But where you minister? Eh? Brother, you need for meds, Andrew, man. You need for meds the people them a ball, brother. I tell you, people them a ball charge. Eh? The people them afraid to tell you, Andrew, are you my comfort today? I want you do better, my prime minister. I want you do better. And if you don't want to do better, give other party a try and see what go on. Because you alone eat a piece of food. You don't eat milk, you fucking rich, fam. The government you rich, dog. You have the money, you deposit the money in other countries and build up house in France and them place there. But you don't have blood clot made say people them they are suffer. There's no way we have a government who cannot even report a patrol to the Jamaica government for say, here what? NAA or whoever. You know, so one patrol there, a me pen where a cause only for vehicle for swerve and a meet in an accident and thing. We want to fix it and fix it next day. So the fuck pay tax for? Why we pay tax if we don't have a proper school, a proper hospital, a proper road? Why we pay tax then? Cause a long time I don't hear from me though. Why the we pay tax then? You tell me now. Tell me why we pay tax. Because if we pay tax, it's better we pay extortion. That means you can't fight against extortion in a system then. You can't tell a police lock up a man for extort a man, because extort brawling. The only time when I fix the vehicle, a yembo vehicle, one time I fix road, and when election come after that, one so no charge it. Everybody afraid to tell Anjo, you need to come down, man. Either you go bust youth and make the youth them eat a piece of food, or you go load them and them make them bang, or what? One of them you have to go ease up off a man, them make them do what them have to do, or you go fix the road them, they the people then go deal with the health care. Kind of make sense we escape on the toll and we crash, we are go dead, because guess what, nurse them now get good pay. The teacher them, we make everybody become somebody, we make you become the prime minister. Can't get a fucking proper pay, it don't make sense. A Spain town badness, a Spain I come from Anju, I move street smart, my father. Everywhere for be a tourist area in Jamaica. You think of one place to be tourist area, father? Every blood clot. When I go up on the North Coast, I'm up on the North Coast road pretty as fuck. I'm come back down in my place, me I realize what? I be a patrol and road fuck up. You think the tourists want to stay at hotel, you think the hotel alone cook food. Hotel can't cook like the people them on street. People them on the bumbuck like roadside, they run them off the street. What them for go sell? They don't want to fight crime. You fight crime, but you know me say, yo, me I be proactive. You try to be reactive, brother. You have to be proactive. You have to look into it. You have to say, yo, watch you know? Them people are awesome. I love the hustler with them care. But guess what? You have to go one side. You have to fix up neat. I'm going to build something for you. You take them off, you dash them goods. Alright, we left for youth for pre now. So it's like you implement crap. You need to do better. The hospital them, the school them, the teacher them, the nurse them, the doctor them, police them, the soldier them need to get proper pay. You need to make the police and soldier them respect the people them too. You see it? You need to take care of the road, brother. It don't make sense me I buy a crown for $4.8 million and I have to end up spend 200,000 to change the whole of my rim and my tire them. It don't make no sense. It don't make no sense. You see me? When you make man fear I do some things, brother, could meds car. We are say, dog, look how we are work hard, brother. Look how we are pay tax and we can't even get a proper road for skate to GLE pan, father. Not even GLE we can't drive. Not even GLE we can't drive on the road, dog. Be a toll man if you take. Brother, I like the country area. I like the scene. I like if you look off a spiritual. I like if you look up in Alexandria, Senton, Browns, all over them places. I like if you drive through them places, go back a car and look and see proper view and feel the fresh oxygen charge. I don't want to take no toll. I want people can see. You not show up them part there Jamaica. You only show the tourist side of Jamaica. What about the bumbuckler natural place or the people them with the jelly on the side of the road? We are cut up cane on the side of them thing the tourists want to see. So you talk about tourism I make the most money in Jamaica, but at the same time, you not establish the real tourism, the real people them where they behind the scene. We are sell the hotel the things them, where them are tell the people them. And the next thing, the hotel them want the food for themselves, brother. You see me? They want the food for themselves, because guess what? Them now pre for say, yo, watch ya. Oh, they can go out and buy stuff. Them a tell them say, yo, them a go get robbed and them a go this. They have to be careful out there. So they make Jamaica look safe. So tourists not go want to come back here. I hotel alone. See, you tell me say I go to a hotel and them a go tell me say out the road not safe. And if I see the hotel, I nobody want to come in your country. Because you left a stigma on the country. And you need to do better or come down. You're the only man me see. Election run international. Say a PMP when you go, so you make a call and you win back. Alright, Bams. Do the work now. Do the work. Cause the real time I come now. Do the work, Chargy. When I go sit down and wait for you for you say one bag of things and you know, do the work. Tell the MP them do the work. Road them need for fix. Stop pitch patchy road them and pave off road them can have more than enough money. Trillions of dollars and have. Stop going like you don't want to play mind game from about Jamaica. Oh, Jamaica is not a debt, man. Any debt you don't want in it. Brother, a country like this, for rich, clean. Every man feel live their dream, brother. Every man feel have their house. Now come tell me nothing. The man them a fear buy fat ride and no house. Sometimes man them make millions and don't buy no clothes. Cause what we a go wear go? Cause Jamaica just a pop down, old fashion. Fix up a place, brother. Fix up hospital them. Man get shot and have go there. Man crash off and bike and have go. What go on for hospital them? What go on for bomb buckler at school them? What go on for them? Eh? And you want vote, brother. Fix the blood clot, health care number 1. Cause you can't sick too. Where you go private hospital? About 500,000, 700,000 a night or 300,000 a night a private hospital no. About $1 million for a week or more, you know. A private hospital you want to go. Only rich I get rich, my father. And the poor done soon, the next one I come for too. Cause no one rich. I don't want to stay poor and follow back a people and blow on and name chicken and take a 5,000 or 10,000. And you call that, whoever. Brother, you need to do better. Come down. Yeah, come down, brother. You need to do better charge. Health care, school, them thing there. You need to fix it. Not even the police station, them not even looking good. Fix the police station, them too. Yeah, do man. I'm to charge.
The thing we them call politics, it build a lot of people. You talk about Jamaica politics. It build a lot of people and it mash up a lot of people. Good for some and it bad for some. You see what I'm saying? The 1980 politics was the worst politics in Jamaica. It was there. And you see 1980 a whole heap of man run out of business. Because them time there, my discotheque a take life. It a go on. And you see 1980, everything changed. You know why it changed? 80, separation. And that mash up the thing. Separation. If you come from east, you can't come west. If you come from west, you can't go north. If you come from north, you can't go south. Labor right, Walling Corner, PNP, Walling Corner. You can't cross border line again. I play east, west, north, and south. No man, no business who you want to be. A man knows that over there so labor right and over there so PNP still now. Because that's how the thing run for a long time. In a certain area, you know, say a labor right here that. Or in a certain area, you know, say a PNP here that. But that no matter, man. A man come to enjoy themselves. You see when the election called 1980. And that's how it start. Borderline. If you're a PNP, you stay over so. And if you're a labor right, you stay over so. And a whole heap of man get hurt. And a whole heap of business mash up. Because through everybody from everywhere used to come support your business good. And 1980, a lot of people business mash up because of that. Because no man can't cross border line again. And it affect me badly too. Yeah, it affect me badly. Because when you go on party now, I want to dance, we play. Only the people in the neighborhood say are man who come from certain area. Is that man there? Yeah, man who come from a certain area can come. So, the fun of the thing get messed up. And it take a long time to come back. And not only my thing alone. A lot of sounding system, you happen to. A lot of sounding system in 1980 get a beaten some top sounding system because of politics. Is that man there? And I write, you know, then time, you know, my things start go down too. After me, I'm about some 6 years of fame, just a go on.
Ask yourself the question, where did Jamaica's constitution come from? Think about it carefully.
Hello everyone. Now, thank you for having taken your time. You are going to realize that there is a lot going on in Jamaica right now, and so many people are now calling for the Prime Minister to come out and resign. Or if that's not the case, then he should call for a fresh election and people to elect a new leader and a new government into office. Now, this has actually brought a lot of speculations, and it has brought a lot of discussions and conversations around the social media, because so many people are talking about this big discovery. Now, we have always known how some people get into power and they try to use the power they have to intimidate those who are not in power, or they tend to use the power they have so that they can get more and more and more resources or more and more money from the taxpayers' efforts. Now, this has actually been exposed, and what do you have to say about this video? Because I know it's not the first, it is not the last. You're gonna see things of such coming out, big explosions, big discoveries, big secrets being exposed to the public. So let me know whatever you think of this video. At the end of it, please leave a comment, share, like, and subscribe to the channel if you are a new member, or if it's the first time you are coming across the channel. Thank you so much.